Hi, I'm Chris. I'm here for my induction.
Ah, Chris, nice to meet you. I'm Rob. How are you? Looking forward to getting started?
Yes, I am. Thanks. I just hope I can remember everything.
Don't you worry at all. I'm going to show you round the workshop and the different types of vehicles today. Just a brief overview of each one. Any questions? You go ahead and ask, okay?
Okay, I will do. Thanks.
Okay, let's go through the different engine types that we'll be looking at. So this is the internal combustion engine, or ICE. The engine consists of 4 pistons moving inside cylinders, all connected to a rotating crankshaft.
Okay.
The engine uses a conventional style transmission system to connect to the road wheels. In an ICE, the ignition and combustion of fuel occurs within the engine itself. Here we have a hybrid powertrain. Do you know anything about these?
I think these ones use more than one power source. Is that right?
Correct. A hybrid vehicle uses 2 or more sources of power to function. The most common types of power source are gasoline and electricity. Vehicles that use electricity for one of the power sources are known as hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs. The first modern HEV was the Prius, produced in 1997 by Toyota.
So the Prius was the first modern HEV.
We'll have a look now at the components of the hybrid powertrain. An electric traction motor drives the wheels and/or charges the battery pack.
So the electric traction motor drives the wheels as well as the combustion engine.
Good question. Hybrids connect the combustion engine and the electric motor to the wheels using something called mechanical coupling. This means that both the electric motor and the internal combustion engine drive the wheels directly. Here we have a mild hybrid engine. Do you know anything about these?
Not sure about these.
Mild hybrid cars use an electric motor to assist the petrol or diesel combustion engine when accelerating to save fuel. They do not need to be plugged in, but they cannot travel on electric power only.
So they use fuel as well as electric.
That's right. They will use at least some fuel for all journeys. We'll have a look now at the components of the mild hybrid engine. In the modern mild hybrid, the conventional engine has a starter and an alternator integrated into one electric motor package. The engine stops when the vehicle is stationary and the brake pedal is pressed, with automatic transmission, which is known as stop-start or micro-hybrid. Charging only takes place during deceleration or braking. Here is the full EV. What do you already know about these?
It's powered by a battery.
Yep, the electric motor is powered by the battery pack. Anything else?
It doesn't have an engine.
Correct. A pure EV doesn't have an engine. Also, the battery pack is recharged from the domestic electricity supply or during regenerative braking. Here is a hydrogen powertrain. So, hydrogen is a colourless, odourless, highly flammable gas. It's non-toxic and non-poisonous. It is the simplest, lightest element, lighter than air, and is the most abundant chemical substance in the entire universe.